My name is Rebecca Oliver and I'm from Transylvania University. And I've been working with Dr. David Powell and Eric Cordy, who is a graduate research student in the nephrology lab. So we're studying the cellular and molecular events of lupus nephritis. And with patients that have lupus, about 50 to 60% of them have lupus nephritis, which is the main cause of morbidity and mortality in patients with lupus. So that's why it's really important for us to study it. And so we're looking at this ABN1 protein, which is a ubiquitin modifying protein, and we're thinking that the ABN protein that's mutated is causing our patients to be more likely to have lupus nephritis. And it's important because ABN1 plays a really an important key role in the NF-kappa B pathway, which inhibits B cell regulation. And so when it's not regulated, B cells aren't regulated, then that's when we have too many, and that's when we get autoimmune diseases such as lupus. So I've done a lot of Western blots this summer, just looking at proteins in some of our samples. I've done an ELISA, which is tested for albumin in mouse urine that we actually got from Europe. And then I've done a cytokine array, which has taken some of our cell lines and we've simulated them with ligands, and we've looked at the different pre-inflammatory cytokines that have resulted from that. And I've also done a gel agarose electrophoresis and a lot of cell culture. I've never done research before, so definitely just being in a lab, learning all the different techniques. I've never done Western blots before, never done cell culture before, so I've learned how to do that. And I've also learned just how to analyze data, how to think of new ways to do things, and a lot of things I could even use in the fall, when I go back to school, just in terms of thinking through different aspects of research.